स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
महर्षि दयानंद जन्म स्थान टंकारा में मैं पिछले 40 वर्षों से संबंधित हूँ। आज जो भी वहाँ देखने का स्वरूप नज़र आ रहा है उसमें विश्व भर की आर्य समाजों ने मुझे जो सहयोग दिया है उसके लिए मैं उनका आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। और इसमें मैं ये बात भी कहने लगा हूँ कि हम पिछले 40 वर्षों से ये प्रयत्न कर रहे थे कि हमें जन्म स्थान मिल जाए, पर श्री सत्यानंद मुझार और मुझाल परिवार के सहयोग से चिक्कू भाई ने हमें वो जन्म स्थान जो दिया और हमने उसको अब विश्व दर्शनी जो है वह बना दिया है। और इस समय वहाँ पर लगभग 175 विद्यार्थी जो हैं वह कार्य कर रहे हैं और देश में नहीं विदेशों में भी टंकारा के स्नातक तैयार होकर धर्माचार्य के रूप में शिक्षण संस्थाओं में आर्य समाजों में जो हैं कार्यरत हैं। ये तभी कार्य हो सका जब विश्व भर की आर्य समाजों ने हमें सहयोग दिया। ट्रस्ट ने एक निश्चय किया कि एक इसकी लघु फिल्म बनाई जाए ताकि विश्व भर में इसकी कापियाँ करवाकर हम भेजें ताकि लोगों को उस जन्म स्थान की जानकारी हो जहाँ स्वामी दयानंद जी महाराज ने जन्म लिया। मैं पुनः आप सबका आभार प्रकट करता हूँ और विशेषकर मुझाल परिवार का जिन्होंने हमें ये जन्म स्थान जिस कमरे में स्वामी दयानंद जी का जन्म हुआ था वो स्थान दिलवाया।
Tankara. This small hamlet, 40 kilometers from Rajkot, on the Rajkot-Morvi highway in Gujarat, is privileged to be the birthplace of one of the greatest saints, Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati. He was a great scholar and a reformer. Just when the predator faiths were mercilessly preying upon the Hindu society and the very backbone of Hindu faith, the cow and the woman were in terrible state. Sermons like, "Women and the Shudras have no right to education," and "Who leads you to hell? Of course women," were making mockery of the Hindu philosophy and the Hindu society. Then, in 1824, a child named Mool Shankar was born in the house of Sri Karshanji Triwadi. He later became known as Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati. In the words of the first speaker of Lok Sabha, Ananta Shayanam Iyengar, the Maharshi was a grandfather of the nation. Maharshi single-handedly fought against the prevailing evil religious practices and the superfluous rituals that exploited the faithful to serve vested ends. He blessed us and made us rediscover the nectar of truth and the knowledge of the Vedas, while he himself gulped poison. Maharshi made sacrifices which an ordinary being cannot even imagine. He was often subjected to insults, ridicule, threats to his life, and even poisoning. To keep the flame of the Vedic knowledge burning and to remove the corrupt religious practices from Indian society, in 1875 he founded a movement called Arya Samaj. Today, over 6,000 centers of Arya Samaj are spreading the truth of Vedas and are engaged in human welfare. To carry on the great mission initiated by the Maharishi, committed followers decided to build a befitting memorial in the memory of the beloved Guru at this place in Tankara, on the banks of Demi River. To maintain this place, a trust was established in 1951. In Vikram Samvat 2015, Nanji Bhai Kalidas Mehta bought this summer palace from the erstwhile Morvi state for the trust and laid the foundation of the concrete memorial of Maharishi. This trust was registered in 1961. People like Sri Kalidas Mehta, Gandharam Mehta, Meherchand Mahajan, Lala Divanchand, Pandit Anand Priya, Onkarnath Manak Tala played a pivotal role with scores of other Aryas in setting up this trust. As Maharshi desired, this international Updeshak Vidyalaya was started here to produce missionaries of Arya Samaj in 1966 under the able guidance of scholarly Acharya Satyadev. It continues to serve Arya Samaj under the scholarly direction of Acharya Vidyadev. Graduates from this school are preaching Vedas around the world. This school has over 175 students. Some of them are from Nepal and Mauritius. Here, they study in depth the Vedic scriptures and abide by a strict routine of brahmacharya. Importance is given to an all-round development of a young brahmachari's personality. Studies, sports, self-help, all are given equal emphasis. A sound mind lives in a sound body. Wherever Maharshi started a Gurukul, gymnasium was always included.